Model 67 Ford Transit Custom Spares OR Repairs ULEZ Complaint Timing belt snapped open mouth smile. Body white, panel van. Mileage 105,344. MOT the 11th of November 2024. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt snapped, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, air con. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.